allowed to record भनेर चाहिँ हाल्देऊ त म रेकर्ड ओके मैले पनि रेकर्ड गर्छु के के अरे आस्क पर्मिसन भन्यो मलाई
म भर्खरै तपाईलाई त्यो गर्दैछु
ओके ओके ल ल ल ल ल थ्यांक यू
अलाउड टु रेकर्ड गर्दिसके मैले
Okay, welcome to the call.
Nice wake up
I don't know. I don't know who is.
schematics. Wake up schematic look like nice wake up schematic, but still lower time
Why I
frame.
can't see the screen? I
Lower,
can't see the screen.
you can't see the screen.
Yeah, I don't know. Switch. Okay, yeah. Now it's that's
Okay.
all good. All good. Why? Yeah, because yeah, I need to.
So right now I am in the GBP Australian trade. GBP pair move very fast. Have that in mind. GBP pairs move very fast here. This is a very small time frame entry over here. I can drop my Fibonacci up to here 78.6. I think it's in profit for now. Okay, yeah, it's in profit. Yeah, so taking this uptrend. So why did I jump in this trade? I have a nice divergence set up in 5 minutes. Market making lower low, and in the RSI, the market making higher low. So this is the divergence. Yeah, divergence. So I can also go divergence. Images. There are three kind of regular, hidden, and exaggerated. So let me go through here this types of divergence. Okay. What that picture? Currently, the GB Australian is running in profit for me. Okay, nice. End of the. This is the seller's climax test, secondary test, and that's the test for this candle, and the uptrend start. It pulled back, expansion move. I have my fib from here to here, and right 78.6 entry, and right now the market is making liquidity over here, pool of money, and market will run up to and grab that liquidity. Or is the market coming back? Let me. All right, so this is on a 1 minute time frame. Be mindful that 1 minute time frame, the candle is candle are forming very fast. So I really do not jump in lower time frame. I jump in real lower time frame, so I can see what is happening inside that lower time frame. Okay, actually I should have jumped in this 78.6, which didn't trigger my entry, and I jumped very late over here on this test of this nice PUP candle. Right now the market is forming liquidity. liquidity, another liquidity spot here from our Sydney session liquidity. And if we go up, there's also nice liquidity in this place. So here also nice liquidity. Okay, so it looks very nice in 5 minutes. Again, this move was nice expansion move from here. This was our last down candle before up move. Actually, let's go to 15 minute. 15 minute will show a bigger candle. Last down candle before the up move. Market came down there. That was between 71% and 76.8. Fibonacci retracement, because and also before that market built some liquidity over here in inducing the buyers, okay, because GBP pair moved a lot fast. So whoever jumped in the here, they have gone in large, nice 15 to 20 pip drawdown. uh, Overall the trade looks nice for now. Okay, let me go to the scanner source. I just put my scanner source indicator. Let me. Oi, why is my trading views doing so lagging? Everything all right? Yeah. Okay. So scanner source in 15 minutes. According to the scanner source, we have our confirmation candle, but our DMI is not in control. We have awesome oscillator in the down, starts nice correctly. We have nice confirmation, 2 3 confirmation, but we don't have the DMI above. The DMI should be above the 40. If you guys have gone through scanner source, then you should know that DMI should be above 40. Okay, so this is just a nice confirmation according to the scanner source. If I go to 5 minutes, then I think there will be, yeah, in 5 minutes we have a confirmation according to the scanner source. Our price is rejecting the DC Donkian 50 channel, and this was okay. Let me, okay, so this, all right, what happened? Okay, guys, are you here? Can you hear me or not? I'm just
Yeah, we
confused.
can hear you.
Okay, because I didn't see anyone. So, okay,
No, no.
so
Bebe, can I ask one question?
yeah, yeah, sure.
Yeah, I still didn't. I get confused sometimes in like what is institutional candle.
Okay, okay, yes, definitely. Uh, I will go through that. Okay, so are you guys okay? I did took this just 10 minutes ago. I did took this trade GBP
Trade.
Australian.
Yeah.
We have nice five minute entry, which
Okay.
was in this candle. Nice, our DMI in control. Awesome oscillator. Our buyer in momentum
So
starts.
how
Our
it takes
buyers
to
in control.
like a match indicator with the candle that this is the right candle to enter in the trade.
Okay, you know what? This is W. This blue. This is McGinley Dynamic 4. The candle
Yeah.
should up, close above this McGinley 4. Okay, your candle should be closing above the McGinley Dynamic 4. Along with that, your DMI, the black line, which is the control line, that should be above the 40, and
Okay.
the blue should be above. Okay,
Okay.
blue should be above red. Awesome oscillator. You should be in blue momentum. That's a buyer's momentum. Buyers coming into the market, and in
Can we enter in the trade now?
stochastic.
I mean,
Okay, let
in
let me
demo.
go 15 minute. 15 minute. This was a already okay. Yeah, I think you can enter, but you will be having bigger stop loss. Okay, you can enter,
Stop loss.
guys.
Oh,
But your stop loss will be
okay. I will.
bigger than
I
mine.
can take in demo.
Yeah. You can take it in live in very lowest possible lot size. Okay, but
Okay.
for the 15 minute,
Hmm.
my confirmation candle is this, which is right now forming up. But again, the DMI, this black line is still below the 40. Okay, let me duplicate this site. Yes, so okay, let me close this indicator. If you guys are in the trade, then that's fine. Again, the trade has come to 69, 60, 79, 69. Okay, it is like inducing both buyers and sellers all the time. Okay, let me get another one. Cancel, cancel, cross, cross. Welcome Abdul Bhai, welcome Siraj, welcome to this 7 p.m. session. We are here to make this session very productive. Let's do it guys together. Right now the price has. Are we in the trade? GBP Australian?
Sorry?
Actually, we are in this
ना भाई
GBP Australian trade. Just we have our
जीबीपी ऑस्ट्रेलिया
confirmation in 5 minute time frame. We had our confirmation, and the 5 minute is still going up. But always remember, for the healthier trend, the candle, the trend must not go straight up, because Jack used to say that when it's fast, it won't last. Okay, so when there is fast momentum, there will be very fast pullback. So be careful. Do not jump in the fast momentum candle, because you might get caught out. You might get caught out on the wrong side. Okay. So for your question, the institutional candle. Okay, if, I'll get back to your question.
Yeah.
Omrin, the institutional candle. Uh, Actually, institutional candle depends on what time frame you are looking at. Okay, there are different time frame. Okay, so now the institutional candle, it should be defined as the rapid momentum.
Yeah.
Yes, sure. So the mitigation, we will
Yeah.
get into the
Mitigation candle, which is mitigation
mitigation
institution.
candle and the institutional candle. So
Okay.
again, let me go through the basics. Have you listened to that part two of Mark Douglas? How to think, how to become a professional tr- trader, by Mark Douglas, which I shared in the morning, the YouTube link.
Today's one. No, today's
Yeah.
one I haven't checked because of
Please
busy.
go and listen to that video. Uh, there is part 4, 1 to 4. Listen to first part, how Mark Douglas begin his trading on trading, and how he came to know these all concept. Okay. So because Mark
TP
Douglas
hit,
also
TP hit already.
Which one?
GBP or
Which TP?
Already TP hit. TP hit, GBP or TP hit. I put
uh,
14 P.
Okay, you
I
put
I
what
am
name?
targeting
It's 14 pips already.
GBP
Bibit is
Australian up to 100 pip.
okay. You are targeting 100 pips.
Yeah,
Oh wow. Okay. So I'm okay. Good.
because
Good. It's
GBP
still
pairs.
good. I mean, book move
Yeah,
very fast. Yeah.
GBP
It's already
pairs.
Yeah, it's in profit. I took it
Great,
even
guys,
as
great.
that
I love
even
to hear
more.
that you guys are in profit because that's the main aim of my being in these sessions because I love this time being with you guys so I can give my knowledge whatever I have learned.
Yeah, 15. Yes.
So again,
My
what
lot size is very big now.
your lot size is very big. Congratulations, the my
Wow,
lot size is
a
very
smart
small.
lady. That's called a smartness. Instead of waiting for 100 pips, she's increased her lot size.
All right,
Wow,
so
good, Savi.
let me again go through that. Okay, so what Mark Douglas had said that he
Bye.
first,
Bye.
yeah, the
Excuse me. Sorry. So can you give this trade to please group? Please put in a group so that people can take it because it is going to the right direction. I can see people
But we
my
have
target.
to increase, as Bibit said,
Have you?
stop loss as well.
I can. Okay. I can.
We have to increase
Yeah,
the.
that's okay. Stop loss. It
yeah,
will be
stop
little bit
loss
longer, but they
will
can
be very high. Okay,
VP
stop loss will be
or
very high.
it's still going. Still going. Okay. It's like
Okay, because I share this setup before coming to these sessions in the daytime. If you have had chance to watch the
Yeah,
update
I have
in the trade
seen that.
ideas, I told you guys that okay, I love this setup. This particular setup is very wonderful. So we can discuss this in later time because okay. Oh, AU Lions, welcome. Okay, we have hit it 35 pip. We are still running in profits. Okay, guys, that's awesome. Let me go to GN because GN also work very same. Actually, I missed this trade because I didn't have any setup on GN. That is why right now the GN always remember that GN and GA they work same. Okay, when GA
Normal
is in
condition.
buy, automatically the GN is in
GN is
buy.
in buy.
And
Okay.
whenever there is, the divergence like GA is buying and GN is selling, okay, one lags and one leads, then that is also called a divergence. Because Jack and the bounce back team, they have the different way to look out for the divergence. Okay, so right now I just want to focus on the GA. So again, coming back to the Mark Douglas, he told in his first video that he began his trading from 15,000 dollar, and what he told that he lost that, and again he begin again he funded and he again lost that. He
Mhm.
changed his broker the second time, and again he lost that. And after the series of losses, he found one something that was very good, that it is all in our mind, the trading psychology. So the trading
Mhm.
psychology must be very strong. We should be sound. Okay, when we are feeling low, we don't trade. So because please go and listen to that part 1 2 3 4 video. You will learn something. Okay, you will learn, definitely you will learn something. That's a very nice video to watch. Mark Douglas, who is also the author of the Trading in the Zone and the Disciplined Trader, which is the must go for any trader who wants to trade in the financial market. So okay, we are sound, we are very sound. I am waiting for nice little bit of pullback for GBP Australian because every time the the price hit this DC 50 on the top, there will be some retracement. Okay, there will be some retracement, so we should wait for the retracement. Again, in 15 minute we are very nicely in the 50 zone. There also we can get some retracement, but we are very sound, we are very good. Our DMI awesome oscillator and this stochastic, they are all in line. That means we don't have to worry right now. We just let the trade run, or you can also jump in the trade, but still guys, your stop loss will be bigger. Okay, your stop loss will be 40 pip right now, because we are already 15-20 pip profit according to our entry point. So the mitigation and the institutional candle, I am coming to that phase. Okay, so you know what, the forex market and also all those shares market, whatever the futures market, these market are highly manipulated. Okay, highly manipulated in the sense that anyone can do anything so that they can profit from this market. So who are those anyone? And what is that anything? That anyone is the person who is financially sound and who is psychologically sound.
Thanks.
So what does that means? That that person has large amount of money and his mentality is to win in this financial market. So how does he manipulate the market? So the basic of the financial market is, in order to make profit. So again, listen to the guys. In order to make profit, you should buy in lower price and sell high. Yeah, basic theme. Yeah, so and again, on the other way, you should be buying in low and sell. That's the same thing: buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. So that doesn't mean the way to buy and way to sell. Okay, that doesn't says where to buy and where to sell. But what the people will do? Okay, let me just draw something. This is market in ranging. Okay, this is the ranging market. So what does this say? Okay, what does this say? Every time the price in this support zone, there are large number of people who think, okay, who think that okay, the price has hit the support zone, we are going to buy like 500,000. Okay, 500,000 trader, they buy up here, and when it went to this zone, they are thinking, okay, that's the resistance, we are going to close that, buy in profit, and we are going to sell. Again, they will sell. Just a second, guys. Sorry for the interruption, guys. Let me get back to our question. Okay, so at this point, people will close their buy and sell in here. And again, same thing happens. When the price hit this zone, people again begin to buy. And here what comes, okay, then there is one person, okay, the one person whose conviction is very strong, okay, whose conviction is very strong that, okay, everyone is going to sell in here. My conviction is that price is going down, okay. My conviction, the one person, the very strong person who has this financial capacity and psychologically sound person, that will think that my conviction is so strong that this GBP Australian is selling, okay. But I am going to do opposite. I am going to do opposite so that he will take out these sellers first. He will do opposite. He will enter the market with large lots, okay, like thousands lot, like 100,000 lot, 1 million lot, and he will drive this market up so that these sellers are out, and because these sellers he bought them, and again on the top there will be buy stops, okay, there will be buy stops for these sellers. And what this person does, this will also
Hit stop loss.
activate these buy stop, and there's someone to take his other side of the market, then he sell in this place. While he's selling, he's taking out these buys, and he will drive this market down. So these things is also called a false breakout. You guys should be, familiar with that concept, the false breakout or fake out breakout, because many used to say the fake out breakout. That is why many used to put your stop loss 30 pip above, okay, 30 pip above from this. When trading in these kinds of range, many used to say that 30 pip, because the bank will drive the market up to hit your stop loss, then they can bring the market down. That's the main thing the banks are doing every time, okay. So okay, this will take a lot of time to take this drawing out. All right, so again, when you search in your Google market reversal patterns, so when you look at the Google, what will you find? Market reversal, those head and shoulders, yums, w's, yum, double top. Okay, here it is. Nice. You'll find that there is head and shoulders, double bottom, double top. Yeah, these are the sign that, okay, the market has failed to make the new high. That means the market is so exhausted that it is going to sell, okay. The market is so exhausted that it is going to sell. Let me lock this up. So this can be defined as the double top, okay. In this place, that means that clearly this zone, that clearly say that the market has failed to make the higher high. That means the market wants to come down. That's where the typical technical traders, they will see like, okay, the double top, I'm going to sell. Fine. He will sell it from here. Okay, he will sell. All right, here my favorite. He will begin selling over here, okay. Here will come your market mitigation and everything, okay. Don't worry, it's coming. So here you will have your, okay, people will be selling over here, okay. Okay, right, like this, the red candle, people are selling, people are selling, okay, people are looking at this chart and okay pattern, people are selling and people are selling, all through selling. Oh, why can't I clone this? Okay, nice. So again, when this thing happens, okay guys, when this thing happens, there are a lot of sellers. Now the bank will take the other side of the market, that means buy. A bank has its large volume, okay, bank had its large volume, you will get big candle. That is why it is called institutional candle, because this candle are driven by the institutions. The bank will put large number of lot size, so that is why this is also called the institutional candle. Okay, so bank is buying. Okay, the bank is buying. Bank hit their stop loss, because whenever you are in profit, you change your stop loss to entry. Okay, Mark Douglas has also said that the this is the what the traders do wrong. Okay, because as a traders, you should be able to perceive there is a risk. Okay, there is a risk, and you should be accepting that risk. That means you should accept the risk. This sometimes he tells us bringing your stop loss to your entry, that will tell you that you are not willing to accept the risks. So when you put your stop loss to entry, that's what the bank want. Bank will drive you up, hit your stop losses, and what the bank will do? Bank will start selling now. Bank begins to sell. Bank begin to sell all the way. Okay. Mm-hmm. Sell, sell. That's where you will get the imbalance in the market. Okay, because when the bank selling, when the people will say, oh yes, my system was right, the market was going down, yeah, we are also jumping the gun. Okay, they are, because we are driven by the fear of missing out, and we are jumping in those candle, and there will be imbalance, big imbalance created in the market. Now what's the thing is, that buy the bank was buying in this zone. Yeah, the bank was buying in this zone, but when the bank are selling, they will not close this buy. Okay, right now the bank, this buy is in loss. The 1 million lot size is in loss, but 2 million lot size is in profit. Okay, the 2 million lot size is in profit. And when the bank collect their profit, most of the time you will see that there is market consolidation, like very small candle forming up. That also means that large players are taking profit. Okay, large players are taking profit, and right now this 1 million lot size is still in loss. So what the bank will do? Bank will close their seller in profit. A bank will let the market come up and mitigate this buy. That's your market. Yeah, that's a mitigation. Okay, bank will come back and mitigate your buys, and again bank will enter 2 million lot size sell, and bank will sell again. So this is how your market mitigation plays out. Your institutional candle plays out. Okay, so most of the time there will be a big engulfing candle. Okay, the big engulfing candle that will show that okay, that's a very rapid move in the market. And when that big engulfing candle comes out, okay, the people will think that okay, it's sell time, sell, there is a big imbalance. And also when there is only selling pressure, there should be some buy. Okay, there should be some buy. The market should have both balance between buyers and sellers all the time. That is also why the market will come back, filling up this imbalance and mitigating their buys, and they can come down in sell. So this basically this concept is working everywhere, but not like double top, double bottom. Most of the time, the double top, when you see the double top, be careful. It's obvious that you will get profit in the
What
double
does
top.
double top candle means?
No, double top pattern. It's a pattern, not a candle. It's a pattern.
Yeah.
That is a M pattern or W pattern. Okay, your W's pattern. It's a pattern. Okay, W's pattern. It's a pattern. That means double top and double bottom. Okay, that is double top and double
Okay.
bottom
Double
pattern.
top, double bottom, W pattern.
Yeah, that's a W pattern. When
It
it's
means that market either go up or either go down.
most of the time when this W means the buyers, the sellers, they took their profit. Okay, they took their profit. That means when they took their profit, the market does not wants to go down. Okay, I just have to, W means going to sell. Now W means going to buy. W means going to buy, guys. Always be careful. Okay. uh, yeah, the market coming down, that means sellers are taking profit, and the market will come back, fill the imbalance, and again, whoever was left to take profit, the sellers, they will take profit in the second point, and there where your reversal happens, people will buy, but the same like this. Okay, I'll just invert the scale. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, like same like this. Okay, let us consider this is a double bottom. Okay, double bottom. Okay, these are the buy candle. Okay, please consider these as a buy because I just flipped this chart. These are buy. Same situation like this happens most of the time. Okay, that is why it's better to wait. Okay, it's better to wait, better to let this top M pattern play out, because absolutely you can get profit like 20, 30 pips, sometimes even 100 pips. Okay, W means going to sell, M means going to buy. Winner. Yeah, I am coming to wake up. Yeah, I'm coming to wake up because this is the basis of the wake up. Okay, uh, this is also the basis of the wake up. Like here, this is the distribution phase. Okay, this can be considered as a distribution phase. Okay, guys, this can be considered as a distribution, and this is considered as the accumulation phase. Okay, this is accumulation, this is
Accumulation.
distribution. So Wyckoff has coined this. He's in his you can go in Wyckoff theory. Wyckoff, I will just give this link on the
Yeah,
chat
I have
box.
seen that video according to
Yeah,
Wyckoff,
yeah, all right,
accumulation and distribution.
then that's the, okay, that's very great. So all right, guys, our market seems like it is retracing. It is right now in 93, 91. Okay, this is okay. Look at, guys, can you see this? Now what happened? We have the breakup structure, the Zachary Hogan and Jordan Mogul session, or John Fifth. They will teach that, okay, this is the breakup structure. What the breakup structure will give. This is breakup structure.
Accumulation
Then
phase.
this is also an expansion move, called as an expansion move. You can take out the fee from down to up. You can enter the market in 50% or 71% or 78%. Can you see that, guys? In 71, okay, is it? Let me extend. Oh, this is getting. let me delete this. In 71% and 61.8, the last sell candle before the buy. Okay, sell before the buy. That lies in between 61.8 and 71%. So this will be your nice possible entry zone. The next entry you can get in this zone. Okay, because why? We have imbalance over here. In this place we have imbalance. We have imbalance. This imbalance. Let me delete this. Delete this. There is also imbalance, but most of the time the bigger imbalance is likely to get filled up, and this 50%, 61.8, you can get in this trade. But again, the time and price relationship is very important. Go to your indicators. Okay guys, go to your indicators, type sessions on chart by AU Rocks, and go to the setting, uncheck the Tokyo, just put your London session on. So London session, we are in the London session right now. So we can basically jump in the next entry in say 61.8 or 50%. The better the market come lower. Okay, it's better the market come lower, because you will have your stop loss, very small stop loss.
Okay.
Like,
So if this retracement happen till 50%, so we can take buy order, right?
yeah, we can take buy order, but before coming to our zone, again the market will make like a double bottom, like, okay, double bottom structure.
Okay.
Very small pattern, but it will like double bottom or double top. Okay, most of the time. That is why you should mark your zone every time like this. When you see here, that means the market will have its last push to take this double bottom, and will take your market towards your direction every time. Okay, every time, not all the time. Okay, not all the time. Again, in this section we have big expansion move. The market was going up and up. Okay, and this white part, let me delete this. This white part is our Tokyo session and Sydney, and most of the time the market knock out these Tokyo and Sydney sessions highs and low. Have you watched that sorting below the open price and buying? Oh, sorry, sorting above the opening price and buying below the opening price video. Have you watched? The John Fib
Yes,
has
yes.
No, I don't see.
in that. I think that's on phase 2, and there's your homework recommendation too. There you can find the sorting below, sorting above, and buying below in the major pair, mostly because why the major pair? Because the major pair are traded in the mostly the major pair are traded in the New York session. Okay, and that is why the major pair are very important. So okay, let me go right now. Have a look, guys. The market is moving abruptly. Yeah, market is moving abruptly. That means the market wants to mitigate their positions. If you guys has already closed out in profit, then that's very fine. I don't. I'm still holding the trade, and all right, 1.31. I'm still 10 to 15 p profit, and my stop loss. I have changed my stop loss above 5 pip. That means I'm sure that it's going to get knocked off, because it's 79.70 is my stop loss. That is right here. Yeah, it is going to get knocked off, and I can get in the second entry. Okay, 17. Let's see. Okay, we have 15 minutes. Okay, so you guys want me to cover the Wyckoff?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Yeah, okay. I will let this trade run. I will not look. I'll look towards the trade, because when you look to the trade every time.
Right now, can you open the pair? Just let me. Yeah, yeah, AUD JPY, please, because there is a big expansion happened at the moment. I can see AUD JPY
In which time frame?
now currently.
No, I mean, oh yeah, yeah, very rapidly expansion. 15 minute.
Yeah,
Let me change to my normal candle. Yes, you're right. You're right.
it's a huge expansion.
Huge expansion.
It
Let me
will
go
get
1
back,
hour.
pull back.
Okay, my lagging. All right. So look, guys, the double top. Yeah, double top.
Yeah,
Absolutely fine. Yeah, double top. Market exploding that double top.
breakdown. Yeah,
What does that means?
yeah.
Manipulation. Okay,
Banks are,
exploding,
yeah,
exploding. When does it explode? Right in London session. Okay, London session, it just exploded. It just exploded in London session. That means London session is
and
always
still going.
reversal. Okay, the London session will take out those previous equal highs and lows, and the upper side, the upside is done. Okay, Australian JPY. Let me go to the bigger time frame, because there should be a very big time frame point of interest. Okay, there should be big time frame point of interest, daily point of interest. I think here something is here. Something should be here in this week. Okay, so you can see this is the daily chart. You can see here clearly
Okay.
this you see this last sell candle before the up move, the expansion move, and market came back to this candle. Yeah, on its wick, not in the
Yeah.
body. It came to the wick and it exploded upside. We could have caught this move, but again, by this time I didn't have the knowledge of bounce back. Again, I have that lot of setup ready, which I didn't happen to see in the time, and it just went, and it boggles my mind. Okay, let me see in this what is inside this red. 4 hour. I don't see anything. I can't see anything in 4 hour, because lot of accumulation. Sorry, distribution phase. So it's kind of distribution phase. Go to let me go to 15 minute. Can I go to 15 minute in that time frame? That's the main question now, because sometimes we cannot see those previous time zone. All right, so okay, is it? Oh no, look at guys, right in here I was denied the access of this time frame. That means that is
Okay.
not so good. I can go in 30 minute. I can go 30 minute, watch it in the 30 minute. Okay. Where is it? Okay. All right. So come on, data. All right. No data. No data feed. This is what happened when you want to backtest. When you want to go in the previous time frame to see what was inside that zone, because that is very important. Okay, that is very important to see. That is very important. I think in 45-minute time frame it will show. All right. Yes. All right. So we have this big up push before down. We have some kind of distribution phase in this zone. Actually, it's not clear, because the market wants be clear sometime. Let me go to the left before seeing to the right. I should make sure that these candle knock out those equal highs or some kind of liquidity in the past zone, because that will be your institutional candle, the mitigation, because the market will come back and mitigate those, because you know the banks, they hold their trade for longer period of time. That's, banks are not like us that we just get in and get out. Bank will try to hold the trade. Okay, Australian JPY, it was very nice expansion move. But what I can see, there is a lot of target in the down, in the bottom. There are a lot of target. So Australian JPY can sell in the future, which will be rapid sell. Okay, that will become a rapid sell. Let me go to the, okay, we have very less time. We can discuss on the Wyckoff. Very similar to the double top and double bottom, the Wyckoff. Let me get in the down here. Okay, nice GB Australian, nice play out. It just let me go 5 minutes. Can you guys see this here? Before inside the 50% zone, what did it make? Some kind of equal low. Okay, and that was grabbed with this move. That was grabbed with this move, and it's much possibly going up. If you are holding the trade, then that's fine. Do not jump on very too much. Do not open a lot of positions at a time, because again, guys, have you got that mail from your broker or not? I did message before that the broker, they are changing their leverage from 1 to 500 to 1 to 30. Okay,
It has
but
formed equal low.
yeah, it did form equal low over here. Like right now, when I go to 1 minute, okay, go to the very small time frame to see the detail. Okay, to see the detail, what is happening inside the time frame. Again, the 1 minute is not loading so perfectly. Um, okay, so it's taking too much time loading. Okay, sure. You can see this down candle, and boom, this was halted over here. This bearish candle, this took out these lows. Okay, and where did it came? It came to this, I think it came to this last move up. Now the market is trying to go up. It is
I didn't understand. Sorry, Vivek, can you please repeat
okay.
what these
Let me
equal
elaborate.
lows trying to show here?
So I did told you that you can jump in the trade in the 50% retracement. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we should mark that 50% and 61.8 zone first. Okay, and try to
Okay. We
see
have
when the
marked it.
price comes back to that zone, what is happening. Okay, you can clearly see here. Okay, what is my, okay, you can clearly see this low. Okay, this low,
Yeah.
and this, the market came back straight came back and halted.
Yeah.
Okay, the market just halted, market just stopped coming downward. Why?
Yeah.
Because it wants to make something here, the equal low, like equal low. If I go to the lower time frame, like seconds, like 10 seconds, 15 seconds, then it will clearly show you that this will be the equal low, and this will be your liquidity sweep candle. And right after the liquidity is swept, you will get up candle, and next time the market will come and test that institutional candle. Okay, this will be an institutional candle which swept the liquidity. Market came back and test that candle, and market came off. And the healthier price action will tell you when this kind of gap, the market fills the gap. You can see Market came down rapidly, market filling the gap, and market can came back and fill the gap and possibly can go up. So is that okay? Are you still confused, Amrin?
Uh, what I understand is that um, market create equal lows,
Yeah,
then an institutional candle is formed,
yeah,
then again there is a bullish pull,
yeah, bullish
and then
pull.
again market retest, and then it went up.
Yes, correct. That's the core thing, okay? That's the core thing. That's the basic understanding you should be looking for, okay? So let me go on the Wyckoff because we are getting late. So I will
So it
draw.
happens all the time, or
Yeah, most of the cases, okay? Because the you should know that when the London market is on, which pair will run faster? GBP pairs. Why? Because the GBP pairs, the Euro pairs are uh, tr-
active? Yeah.
traded mostly in the London market. So you should be looking at the GBP pairs, most of them. Okay. So right now I'll just take my time to draw something.
So which is the best point to enter in the market? Like once we can see that market is
Yeah. My network. Is it my network?
विविध नहीं विविध पे
Sorry
आ
guys.
गया वो
net
इंटरनेट का चक्कर
network
Sorry,
था
my
issue.
internet got lost. Yeah,
अभी दिखा इंटरनेट लग रहा है
Amrin,
लैग कर रहा है
Amrin, I was going to listen to your question. Yeah, yeah. What were you saying? Just because I
Yeah,
just completely
I
lost
was
my.
saying
Yeah,
when we are following the bounce back theory, like when we are seeing like in London session, what is the best time to get into the market? Like when we see that there is an expansion phase in the market and the market is rapidly moving up or down, either way, whether is expansion or not. So the best time to enter in the market is like we draw a Fibonacci tool and then get the retracement like marks, like 50% mark or whatever 60%, 61% mark.
hmm.
Then that is the best time to enter in the market.
Uh,
What I am getting,
I don't
understanding of the
really
bounce back
jump on
theory.
the 50% retracement. Why? Why? Because the institutions, they wants to drive the price very lower. Okay, to buy they wants to drive price very
Oh,
lower so that they can jump in the very lowest price possible. That will be 71% or 70% or 80%. Okay, when you get 70 and 80% discount, the discounted price, you will jump in the market and buy it. Yeah, because
okay.
when we go in the retail and want to buy something and sometimes we don't want to buy in the full price. Once we want to see that price come to the either 50% off or more than 50%, yeah, then only we buy. Similarly in the forex market, in every market it works same. Okay, so because we jump in 50%, the bank will push that down in 71%, maybe getting you out of the
Push it
market
further down. Yeah.
in the process, and it will took off. So
यही ऊपर
so
है
spring.
So this is when we are talking about when the market is going up, then it has pullback, and then we create a Fibonacci tool, and then we measure that it is below 50% and up to 61 or 78% level. Then we
Yeah,
enter into the trade for the
yeah,
buy.
you should enter, but only in one case. Okay, your Fibonacci is only done. Okay, let me get my Where is my confirmation checklist? Confirmation checklist, I will get it here, right here. Confirmation checklist, text, boom, confirmation checklist. So your Fibonacci is only done. Okay, when you talk about your Fibonacci, your Fibonacci confirmation is only made, but we have 6-7 confirmation checklist. What is that? The market structure. That means is there any breakup structure happening in the market? If yes, then that's your tick. Okay, like here, if there is break in structure, then that's your tick. Institutional area or institutional candle.
Area.
So the market coming back to your institutional candle, that's tick. Liquidity has this price clear the liquidity, or is there liquidity forming up in this zone? Like here, is there any liquidity forming up? Then that's tick. Okay, so your next move to grab those liquidity, you will jump. Okay, and again, Fibonacci, you get your Fibonacci 71.71%, 78%, then that's tick. That's fine. There another checklist is done. And what is time and price? So for the major pair, you should be looking for the New York session. Okay, you should be looking in the New York session, because most of the time London session will clear these highs and lows, and in the New York session there will be retracement, and in between those up when the London session is right off, you can get your final entry, and the next will be the continuation. So you will be looking at these kind of confirmation checklist. Okay, so that you don't jump very early in the market, because when you jump in or early move, then that will make you very unstable, because the market can do very abrupt. So we are still at 02. We can take 5 minutes. Can we? Can we take 5 more minutes? Yes. So okay. So the wake up, when this happens, okay, this is the scenario of double bottom. Okay, this means the seller's climax means this is a secondary test, automatic reaction, automatic reaction. The SC means seller climax. That means the seller are taking profit. And again, when the seller's climax, you will have your automatic
Oversold.
reaction. Your automatic reaction will drive the price up. That means you're some kind of retracement. And in your secondary test, most of the sellers are taking profit. Okay, most of the sellers are taking profit, and buyers jumping into the market. But what happened? The bank, the composite man, the person who with the large number of money and psychologically strong person, his conviction is very strong that market is going up. That means he is ready to do opposite. Okay, he is ready to do opposite, so that he can take those buyers out, causing this spring, and boom, took the market up, expansion move. It came back to mitigate that move. Okay,
Retracement. Yeah.
mitigate that sell and take this market off. So this was a very quick Wyckoff. Again, I recommend you to go through those Wyckoff logic, those this one. You can read. If you don't, you see the Wyckoff's composite man. That is the composite man at the banks, the person who is trying to get a lot of profit in the market. Okay, so I think that's it for today, guys. We have reached 1 hour, And that's awesome, awesome. This session is very productive. Yeah, this is a very good session. Thank you, Dee. So the next day we will discuss over the Wyckoff, and we will look after
Yeah,
in
I
the
will watch
chart,
more
in the
videos
live
today
chart.
because I am doing.
Yeah, we will
In
go in
phase
the
2
live
right now.
chat. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Amrin, just yeah. Come on. What were you saying? I just cut you off. Sorry about that.
I'm saying I am watching videos like
Yeah.
I'm in phase 2 of the bounce back.
Yep.
So we can discuss it tomorrow as well.
Yeah. Sure. Sure. Yeah.
If there are any
Tomorrow.
question,
Yeah.
I will note down.
Yeah. Tomorrow you can get your questions. Okay. Okay. Have a look. Just before going off. Have a look, guys. What is this week? Those are these liquidity. The week are also the liquidity, and liquidity is building up in this zone. That means have this markup, okay? Have this markup in your GA and try it on your demo, okay? Try it on your demo. When the market come down to 71%, try to buy it for the 100 pip because GBP pair they will move 100 pip. The initial move was expected the 100 pip because this was a equal high. That's my target, and I'm very one pip away from getting my stop loss hit, and still it's holding up. That's fine because I'm
Oh,
still in
lucky.
profit because I have changed my stop loss into profit, which Mark Douglas doesn't want us to do because we should be accepting the risks, and that's make us the risk taker. So having said that, thank you guys for being in this session. I hope I served you well.